So this is a body wave wig that I ordered from UNICE on Amazon, and it came in 2 days. It's 22 inches, and it came with the curl pattern. I mean, not the curl pattern, it came with like the little body wave pattern, but I decided to just put some flexi rods in it, and it came out pretty good. I took one of them out, and the curl is pretty good, so I'm about to take the rest of them out and install this bad boy onto my head. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh! So I want y'all to see how good the curl looks. And I was scared because I thought I put too much product with it. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. These is gonna have to be separated out because it's looking real tight right now. I wish I had a popsicle stick because this is so good. this laying down. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple minutes now that the band is up there. Try to let it melt. And then cut the lace, and then I'll be done. And then I can style it or whatever and let these curls loose.
3 days later.
So the other day, I thought I was filming everything. I'm styling my hair and all that, and I wasn't even recording anything at all. So I'm sorry about that, but this is Monday, and I installed it on Friday. So not too many days later, but yeah, this is how it looked after those 3 days. It's not giving too much. It's giving just enough, okay? It was not giving just enough, okay? Because as I'm looking at this video and editing it, I see that on the left side of my head, it's lighter than the right side of my head, and it's honestly because of the cap that I use. It was a little bit lighter. Well, actually, it was a lot lighter than my skin tone. I didn't put enough makeup on it. It's an easy fix, and I went on ahead and fixed it for my thumbnail pictures. But yeah, just dust a little bit makeup on it, and you'll be good to go. Okay, this is the final look. I like the curls. I like the heatless curls. Check out Beauty Jaleah's video on how she did her heatless curls. The curls drop like they obviously have dropped. So it's time to revamp it with some new heatless curls. I put the flexi rods in on Friday. I took them out on Friday, and I've had these same curls since Friday, and today's now Monday. So I like the flexi rods with the foam spray. Not foam spray. What is it called? Lotta Body, with the Lotta Body foam. So Lotta Body foam, flexi rods, leave them in for a little while, and boom, you don't have to worry about putting heat to your hair, and you can have it for days. So that is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.